KJ, stop. If you eat that, we'll have no ingredients.
Come on. KJ Adventures.
Come on and enjoy the educational experience.
It will be fun. Hello friends, my name is KJ and this is my cousin Larriona and this is my daddy. Today we're making rainbow popsicles. Here's what you need: grapes, yogurt, kiwi, mango, strawberries, blueberries, oranges, and bananas.
So KJ, which fruit you want to choose first?
Let's try these strawberries.
Strawberries? Let's see if we can just use our hands. Alright. That's one spoon. And one more after that. Alright, good job. Alright. And then that's good. And then next time we're going to pour a little water in there.
Don't pour it.
Alright.
Yes, pour it. Looks yummy.
Can it look like lemonade? More like pink lemonade?
Tastes a little bit good.
That's slowly.
Pour it up.
Okay, let's go to the next one. It looks like a pink milkshake.
Yeah, I can do
Almost like melted ice cream. What you think, Larriona?
It's like milkshake.
Milkshake to you too?
strawberry drink.
Yeah, like a strawberry drink.
Strawberry juice.
Or sometimes like mommy's cake. Which fruit you think you want to go with as the second fruit?
Bananas.
You want to go with bananas?
Oh, it's really up. Oh, we gotta get to 40.
Alright, that should be good enough right there.
2, 1,
One.
2,
This is going to be interesting right here.
3.
And 3. Good job, Larriona.
It looks like blue water. Yes.
Sorry. Alright, let's just move it closer so it'll be easier. Alright.
You gonna want to taste this. This tastes good.
Okay, so you got the front, Larriona got the back. Alright, let me help you out with that. And dump it in.
Look. Then another banana ice cream.
Yep. Yep.
Then it must be like
Bananas look pretty good. I wasn't expecting it to look that good.
grapes.
You want to choose grapes? Okay, we got some green grapes over here. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
6.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see how many I get this one. Oh, 6 plus 6 equals 12.
Okay.
The 2 or equal 6 plus 12. So that was 18.
18. We'll do 3 tablespoons. Teaspoons, I'm sorry. Good. And some water. Try a concoction.
That's water.
So we're gonna pour this in. Got a little pulp in it. It's gonna give it a little.
Can I drink some?
No, how about just dab your finger right there inside? See how it tastes.
It tastes good.
That's good. Take your time. There we go. Take your time with it. That vanilla. What you laughing at? That vanilla and that grapes look the same. Supposed to.
Orange.
Well, oranges. All right, great.
I pour the water.
All right, hold it with 2 hands. Okay. Good job, good job.
Is that all? Dad,
Take our time. Start on that first one. Okay. Good. Slowly but surely. We don't Larriona, so we don't cross over on it. Easy to put our tops on.
so we're not gonna make blue.
We are going to, on our next set, mix some fruit so we have the see-through fruit with lemonade. We just snap these on.
First blueberries, then kiwi.
Good job. I'll put it over here.
Then a banana.
We got some bananas. That's a good choice. Larriona, what you chose?
Mango.
Mango.
And some mangoes.
Okay.
Then a strawberry.
Okay. All right. And you move to your next container. Okay.
They're going to do the same thing, but we're going to be this red. Some mango.
All right. What else we got? Some banana.
Kiwi.
Okay.
Then some blueberries.
Oh, we got some blueberries.
You
All
just
right.
got
So that's how Larriona's look, and that's how KJ's look, just like that. All right. What we're gonna do is Larriona, get your lemonade, and since you have the front, we'll just do it side by side, and don't fill them all the way up to the top. KJ, you going, baby. I'm just trying to make sure I control.
trying to grab the
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. All right, that's good right there. KJ, go to this one. All right, take over. You got it. All right, there we go. You put a little bit more in there. All right. Put your little small swords in there. Do one at a time. Okay. Okay, you got it. Good job. Make sure the top snap. What we'll do, we'll take them, and we're gonna take this set and put them into the deep freezer.
You can eat all the fruit in it and give it some milk.
Alright,
Some yogurt.
alright. And then I'll get the second set. Should be ready with between 4 to 5 hours. 8 hours later. Alright, look at you. Alright guys, 8 hours has passed. We're going to get our first set of popsicles first. Alright.
We just want to put 2 in there.
Alright guys, you guys place those. You guys place those
In the water.
into the water. And then I'm gonna get our second set.
They are cold. Oh, they are cold.
Alright,
You put this one in there.
Alright. Here you go. Okay, try to open this one.
Oh, damn.
There you go, Larry. Huh, eat it. I got you.
Now you taste the bottom. Look at the top.
What it tastes like, guys.
Yummy, yum.
Alright, we got our multi-flavors that we had.
Dad,
My top is a strawberry.
Yeah.
Mine's too.
You can definitely taste the strawberry.
Then at the bottom you take banana.
I can taste the banana.
you too. Where's the orange at? And the green.
It's not one little.
Which flavor is your favorite, man?
Strawberry.
The strawberries?
No,
What about you?
banana.
Banana. Larry, what's your favorite?
The strawberry.
The strawberry one? Alright guys, let's move to the fruit ones with the lemonade base.
Hey, I don't know.
Kiwi.
Uh-huh.
That's yours.
That's one with kiwi
And blueberry.
and blueberries.
I
That's
think I did that one.
Uh-huh.
yeah, and I made these right here, the rainbow ones. I don't got my top.
So, you want this one, KJ? There you go.
This is mine.
Okay. And Larriona, this one is,
Dad, that means yours
I
right
think it's
now.
blueberry and banana. And we got mango and banana.
Right here, and the strawberry right here, blueberry right here.
Yep.
I bet I have banana in here.
So I can taste the,
The strawberry frozen.
alright. I can definitely taste the kiwi, but most likely taste that lemonade. You ain't finished yet, man. Mommy, what was your favorite? Have you tried any yet?
Oh, he just tried this one.
Okay. So thus far, which one is your favorite? The lemonade one or the fruit one?
Both.
Yeah, both. Okay. I think right now I was looking forward to the lemonade one because I'm a big lemonade fan.
That's the lemonade one.
Yep, it's the lemonade one. Try some lemonade. Yeah, guys. I mean, if I had an option, I like the fruit one. You can taste all the fruit in it, but if it was on a hot summer day, I think I'd choose the fruit one. The one that where the fruit is cut up. See, I have the kiwi and the blueberry wrapped in the lemonade.
I get both of them.
You'll try both of them on a hot summer day? Larry, I don't know about you. Well, I can tell with you. You almost you're already done with the strawberry piece. So I guess it's 2-1 on this. But yeah, I'll definitely do this again.
I eat that one on Sunday.
You'll eat this on a summer day. Cause I'm a big fan of lemonade. And it didn't take that long.
I didn't eat blueberry.
How does blueberry taste? Tastes pretty fresh.
It tastes sweet.
Think you'll taste sweet? So what fruit you got left over in yours, KJ? Turn it over. You got some mango left, which is gonna be pretty good wrapped up in that lemonade. You just ate your grape and your blueberry.
All you got is mango.
That's a mango. Mango's pretty good. Got a cool texture. Oh, you almost dumping down on that one.
How do you bite it?
It don't hurt your teeth. Your sensitive teeth like your mother.
Thank you, friend. You want some? Is it good? Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you guys next time.